Nursing students here at Lakeland College can have two different choices of programs, the LPN program and the RN program. Our LPN program is a one-year-long certification, and then the RN program is a two-year associate's degree program. We are very fortunate here at Lakeland College. Our pass rates for both the LPN and the RN program exceed both the state and national averages. For the last 5 years, our LPN pass rate has been 99.6, and our RN pass rate has been 97%.
The new sim lab is very realistic for me. I actually haven't really got to experience this until I jumped into this program. I can't speak enough. Great. It's actually one of the most realistic things, like a true hospital and how hospitals work.
We learn all sorts of things. We are completely prepared from start to finish to enter the nursing workforce. We learn anything that you can imagine that a nurse would need to know. How to draw blood, how to take care of patients. We learn the hands-on aspect of nursing school and all of the skills that you need. We also learn the emotional components that it takes to be a nurse, and the scientific portion, what we actually need to know to care for sick people. This is the best decision I've ever made. I feel so blessed to be here. The instructors here, they truly care about you. I think nursing school gets a bad rep. And don't get me wrong, it's hard, but it is so doable. The instructors here care. You have small class sizes. You have awesome resources here at the college, free tutoring, all sorts of things. It's really a great program. So I would say if you're thinking about it, just take the leap and do it. Just being able to have a career, it's so cost effective. So I'm able to get a degree. I'm not going into debt to do it. I'm able to enter the workforce making a wonderful salary, hours that I want. And not only that, but nursing is so versatile. If I ever find a schedule that doesn't work for my family, I can always transition to something else. There are 100 ways to be a nurse in the United States today. And so if you find something that maybe isn't for you, there's definitely something out there that is. And all of that with only a 2-year degree.